Today, in the period of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are urgent for the development of economies. Eventually, everything reduces to a sealed and exceptionally secure structure that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all disposing of the job of go-betweens, a consequence of hard and faultless work. The outline of Torrential Slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell specialist Emin Gunsire in September 2020, fundamentally putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations basically to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of strong blockchain innovation, the Torrential Slide network will go about as a huge power sponsor demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment. As an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment, Torrential Slide will carry extremist change to fund. Torrential Slide biological system is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and apparatuses with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower expenses. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain engineers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing savvy contracts and other cutting-edge innovations. The urgent distinction between Torrential Slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration component. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential Slide, the people group and associations. The primary point of the Torrential Slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The Torrential Slide local area is humming about its achievements and monstrous commitment, particularly after Torrential Slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the Force of Torrential Slide agreement and light engineering that offers more impartial support rather than costly equipment, being recorded on famous computerized money trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its brokers a protected and trustworthy stage, empowering lesser charges and a plenty of advanced resources for single out from. Torrential Slide stage has additionally marked a settlement with various environments like Chainlink, Bilira, and so forth, taking its forceful innovative drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a philanthropic local area around the world, consequently making an equivalent, supportable, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further improvements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Merchants and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the Torrential Slide establishment has likewise sent off Multiverse. This new motivation program will uphold new environments, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has additionally held hands with Avax to fabricate items for NFT brokers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Ultimately, one of the greatest incorporation is that of Chainlink managers and Chainlink YRF coordinating with the essential Torrential Slide organization. This reconciliation will be useful for the token as it will decrease the responsibility and improve the uptime and security of the brilliant agreements. This news, coordination, and acknowledgement will assist Avax with getting the notice of financial backers and dealers. The rising interest will, thus, lead to the rising worth of the token. The digital money value expectation is dependent upon the exhibition of the particular symbolics foundation, its progressions, and the whole crypto market status. One can never know the specific future exhibition of any token. That being said, specialized examination, Avax expectation, and different perceptions take care of business as a guide simultaneously. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $18.43, with a market capitalization of $5,408,967,424. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the AVAX token is $381,292,309, with a flowing stock of $294,713,816.16 AVAX on the lookout. Avax digital money is hugely dependent on decentralized applications remaining in front of other state-of-the-art advances and the current decentralized blockchain networks. The Torrential Slide estimate is simply reliant upon digital currency market development. A blast time for Torrential Slide drives the value gauge to remain legitimate on this record before very long. Made by Avalanche, this coin has endured over the extreme long haul, so it is vital to realize that Torrential Slide's cost rise is sure before long. Be that as it may, carry out your own groundwork to measure your gamble resistance. In light of a VAX cost estimate, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost visualization for long-term end is $1.36. They accept that your ongoing speculation might be debased from now on. The torrential slide cost expectation brings expect uniting patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for the AVAX value that might show a higher opinion. The cost could cross $126.92 toward 1 year's end. Toward the start of 2022, the torrential slide cost was around $112. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $18.43, which shows that the cost fell has been exceptional. The anticipated torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2022 is $23.97, and the year-to-year change will be around plus 31%. The torrential slide cost is gauged to reach $21.69 by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is $27.12, with a base exchanging cost of $18.44. Torrential slide cost expectation for multi-month end are $21.69. Torrential slide value forecast 2022. Until the end of the year, the base cost and most extreme cost are supposed to be $20 and $39 separately, as indicated by our AVAX cost forecast 2022 in specialized examination. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be $29.50 with a difference in 95%. Torrential slide value expectations November 2022. The AVAX cost figure organized by our specialists recommends that the coin will exchange a scope of $28 to $32 in November 2022. The previous is supposed to be the base worth, while the last option is the most extreme worth. Torrential slide value expectation for December 2022. Our AVAX cost forecasts uncover that the coin will have a base, most extreme, and normal cost of $33, $39, and $35.50. Separately, torrential slide value expectation 2023. In light of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the AVAX coin might have least and greatest costs of $42 and $55 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%. With a typical cost of $48.50. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. As per torrential slide cost expectation, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $60 to $73, where $60 is the base exchanging cost and $73 is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, there are a couple of suppositions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $66.50. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. The torrential slide coin is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $72 and $89 individually, according to our AVAX cost forecast 2025, while the typical cost may be $80.50, with a rate change of 23.61%. Torrential slide value forecast 2026. According to our AVAX cost expectation, the coin might have a typical exchanging cost of $82.50, with a base and greatest cost of $80 and $85 individually. For the year 2026, the unpredictability of the torrential slide cost is supposed to be very less, with a rate change of 6.25%, according to our cost forecast.